Dumpster rental service in Chillicothe, Ohio. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in Chillicothe, Ohio? You've come to the right place. First Capital Dumpster Rental is here to simplify your cleanup process from start to finish. We know how overwhelming junk removal and debris management can be during a renovation, move, or construction project. That's why we offer a straightforward, no-hassle dumpster rental experience tailored to your needs. With multiple dumpster sizes available, you'll find the perfect fit for any job, big or small. Our team works hard to deliver exceptional service with every rental. From timely drop-offs to prompt pickups, we help keep your schedule on track. We believe that dependable service starts with communication, so we're always just a call away to answer any questions you may have. At First Capital Dumpster Rental, we take pride in keeping Chillicothe clean and organized. Our dumpsters are ideal for residential and commercial use, offering a convenient way to manage waste without stress. Whether you're remodeling a kitchen, clearing out an estate, or managing a job site, our team supports you every step. We treat your project like it's our own. Contact us at 740-412-5633 and let's get your dumpster on site quickly. At First Capital Dumpster Rental, we're committed to excellence and ready to help you tackle your next project easily. Don't let debris slow you down. Rent with confidence today.